Salutations and warm welcome to this segment of my presentation dedicated to LaTeX. As preamble, in the preceding sections, we delved into an in-depth exploration and discussion of the foundation aspect of LaTeX. We examined its pivotal role in the realm of scientific documentations, highlighting its profound importance. Furthermore, we scrutinized the remarkable features that LaTeX bestows upon its users, emphasizing the distinct advantages it offers. Equally paramount, we navigated through the steps of configuring a LaTeX distribution along with the selecting an appropriate editor, ensuring a seamless and efficient workflow. Building upon this groundwork, the focus now shifted to our current endeavor. In the following discourse, I am poised to lead you through a comprehensive tutorial on the creation of basic LaTeX document. This tutorial aims to equip with the practical knowledge and skill necessary to initiate your journey in crafting document utilizing the power of LaTeX. Through step-by-step guidance, I will illuminate the process, empowering you to compose well-structured and aesthetically pleasing document with confidence. Now we are going to start our first document by using LaTeX. For that purpose, we need to open our text editor, and this is the text maker editor. When you will click on it, which we already installed in our system, and MikTeX is also installed, but we prepare our document by using text maker. So first we will take a new file, and for that you can use the shortcut key Ctrl+N. So this is the new file. So first what we do, we can start the document by using LaTeX, and LaTeX contain sequence of statements along with the content. So first we need the document class by using /document and enter. Here you can insert some more information. Font size of the document must be 11 pt. Then paper size we are taking here A4 paper, and also the document may be one side or two side. We are using one side document, and document class we have is article. Okay, so this is the first statement. Then after we need to introduce author detail. So here is /author, and my name is Meher Chand. So I insert here my name. After that we need to insert title /title. First simple document using LaTeX. So this is a special character in LaTeX. So we are using here. We will take a backslash and add this place also. Okay. Then after /begin document. So at the begin document and end document, or the whole content will lies, or we have to insert between these two statements. So now where the cursor is moving, at this place our whole document will exist. So here is this is a simple document for practice. Okay, so here we insert this statement and so on. Now if you want to build this file, use press F1. When you will press F1, this file will be built. So it's showing the message a document must be saved with an extension. Yes. So first we need to save this file. Only then this file will build. So using Ctrl+S and save this file in your current directory. This is my current directory, and here I will save this file. First document using LaTeX. So I save this file with this extension with this name, and now I can build this file. When you will press at this place, or you can press F1. Yes. So you can see this is the first line, but you can see here the title not printed. To print the title, we have to use at this place /make title, and again run this file by press F1, and now you will see that title, date, my name, and the other content are there. After that, if you are willing to insert abstract, you can use here /begin abstract, and then enter. So your abstract of this article will lies between these two statements. Here will be abstract of the article. Copy from this place, paste. So when you will build this file, you will see that the abstract of this article is inserted at this place. If you want to start with the section /section, and the first section is introduction, then introduction about the article will be placed here. Copy this statement, paste. So here you can see, now you can see this is the introduction, and first section of the article. After that, if you want to insert subsection, then it is very quite simple. For the subsection we have /subsection, and this is the subsection of the introduction. Give any name, but I am putting the name subsection of the introduction. Okay, then you can put here some information about the subsection. I am copying from this place so that I can save my time, and all the information about the subsection will be used at this place. So you can see under the section 1 we have subsection. Okay, so in this way you can put your subsections, and the numbers of the subsection will automatically generated. If you have the second section, see, I copy this section and put at this place. So this is the second brief about short article. So now you see the second section has been started at this place. This is the section, then we have subsection, and if you will put these subsections, copy from this place, note this point very carefully. So I put these subsection 3 times, and you will see this is the section number 1, then we have 1.1, then we have 1.2, then we have 1.3. So these 3 are subsections under the main section. Okay, and then after we have second section, and under the same you can insert subsection. Sometimes under the subsection you have again subsections. See, if sometimes you need to use subsection, and under the subsection you have again subsection. See, in that case you will use at this place sub 2 times, subsection. Okay, so see what happened. Yes, so here is under the subsection 1.2 we have again a new subsection 1.2.1. okay, so in this way all the numbers of sections will be generated automatically. So this is a very simple document for you. Now the thing is, you need to understand what is required to create simple document, and you can observe from this place. First is a document class, then we have author's detail. After that we insert the title at this place, and to print the title we use the command /make title. Then after we insert the abstract of the article, and then we have introduction, section, subsection, and under the subsection we have again section. So in this way you can create a simple document without containing any figure, any table, any mathematical equation or symbols. So only the text are there. So to create the simple document without any inserting mathematical equation, image, figures, tables, references, and their corresponding citations, just we need these statement. One is document class, then we need begin document and end document. Okay, end document will add this place. So the content of the entire document will lies between begin document and end document. So in the next sessions we will extend the more information about the document, their packages, geometry about the document, how we can insert image, how we can create tables, how we can manipulate them, how we can insert references, and many more. This file will be uploaded for your practice. Okay,